box a couple days ago. Whoa! And I'm going to it so we can open it together.
The only thing I did was take the plastic off. There's the canvas bag. Love that. Whoa! Gorgeous. This is the tote bag, by the way. The matching set is a python pattern on it. Has this gorgeous buckle that has an antique hardware finish. Push the button and this opens right up. It's so soft and smooth feeling. The colors are gorgeous. It's like blacks and taupes. So pretty. This is a size for a passport. You could put your driver's license here, and then there's a pocket in here behind that. You have your string here. You can put your passport right there, and then pockets, and a pocket in here as well. So there's lots of good storage in this. There's even a pocket over here, and look how nice a pen loop too. I mean, they really thought of everything. I just had my picture taken for my passport.
But it's so pretty. I love it.
Really, really nice.
Matching that
is this little mini wallet. It's nice and compact. It has a hook here. You can even hook keys on there probably. So there's a pocket there. Then this side is the pocket with the window. So you could put your license. And then you have space here and here. One of each. The leather inside is so soft with that same antique finish. You have that clip there. So you could clip in your cash money. It has that nice snap closure. Lots of room to grow. There's a matching Hobonichi Weeks. I'm sure there's other journals or planners that would fit inside as well. You have a nice large pocket on the side. You have all of these pockets and then this nice curved one. If you have smaller items, this is a nice pocket for that. You have two strings here. Of course, you could put your Hobonichi or whatever journal or planner you would like to put in here. Here's a secretarial pocket and another pocket here. You have a pen holder right there. So you have everything you need in this. My Hobonichi Weeks is not here yet. Color variations, so pretty and so neutral. This is just so beautiful and very rustic, and I love it. And it's also the same size cover as the last cover I showed you. This has the elastic around it. It has this, look at that edge, this gorgeous like rustic cut. Really, you could use this as a wallet if you wanted to. If you were inside, you have your two pockets to put whatever planner or book you're going to keep inside, or a checkbook and your money. And that it looks like there's a lot of room to grow in this one. I love all the natural markings on here. I love how it's like darker here on the edge. We had the beautiful set that we looked at with these three pieces, the little wallet and the passport holder, and then the Hobonichi Weeks cover. And last, we looked at this rustic, beautiful cover, yard and leather. What was your favorite item? Use these two first. It's always top quality. I love all of this. Thank you so much for sharing this time, and I'll see you next time. Take good care, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and follow for more.